Welcome to CyberrealityX Academy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of installing the CRXAI desktop application. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. CRXAI is a powerful AI tool designed to elevate your architectural design process. From concept to completion, it streamlines everything, from ideation to generating final renders for your projects. Plus, it allows you to easily amend or enhance any part of your image, revolutionizing the way you bring your design ideas to life. For a deeper dive into CRXAI's features and how to get started, be sure to check out our video tutorials. Now let's dive right in and get started with the installation. First, head over to our official website, CRXAI.app, and sign in using your registered credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar. There you'll find the option to download the CRXAI desktop application. Click on the download button for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Then head to your desktop and look for the CRXAI shortcut icon. Simply double-click the icon to launch the application. When you open the application, you'll be asked to sign in again using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start using CRXAI with access to all its powerful AI models. The most effective way to use CRXAI is through the desktop application, which offers seamless integration with 3D modeling, BIM, and design tools. If you want to learn more about these AI models, be sure to check out our video tutorials on how to get started. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more exciting content like this. Ready to start creating with CRXAI? Head over to CRXAI.app and dive into the future of architectural design today.